with the name of Allah, who is the most Rahman and Rahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are fine. A very warm welcome to you in BIS's online class. It's our maths lesson. You know what is mathematics? Mathematics is the study of numbers and shapes. Numbers are digits and shapes mean form or look of anything. Today we are going to start new unit. New unit name is measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is the process of finding the size, quantity or degree. Let's watch video to understand how to measure the length.
This is Rohit. He has a ruler in his hand. I think he is going to his mother to ask her something. Come, let's follow him. I feel we will be able to learn about length with him today.
Mom, isn't a ruler also called a scale?
Yes, dear. A ruler is also called a scale.
And what are these markings on it?
These markings indicate the centimeters. We can measure the length of any object in centimeters. Here, the numbers 0 to 15 show 0 to 15 centimeters.
So these show the centimeters. But how do we measure the length with this?
Come, let me explain. We measure the length from the 0 mark by counting numbers from 0 to 15. We read the length as 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters and so on. To write centimeter, we use its short form, that is cm.
Mom, can I measure the length of this pencil with this ruler?
Yes, of course. Let me show you how. Keep the pencil on the table. Keep the ruler beside it. You have to take care that one end of the pencil coincides with the 0 mark of the ruler. Now look at the other end of the pencil. Can you tell me which number it coincides with on the ruler?
14. So its length is 14 centimeters.
Correct. Now let us measure this eraser.
I think it is 4 centimeters.
Correct. So now you know how to measure the length of small objects. But longer objects cannot be measured with this small ruler. They are measured in a bigger unit called meter. Meter is written in short as m. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Would you like to convert some meters into centimeters? It is very easy.
Yes.
Now, as I said, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, to convert meters into centimeters, we have to multiply the meters by 100. So, for example, to convert 2 meters into centimeters, we have to multiply 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 centimeters.
I got it. So if I want to convert 5 meters into centimeters, I have to multiply 5 by 100, which is equal to 500 centimeters.
Correct. Now come with me. I have to buy some ribbons and pennant strings. I think I will be able to teach you how to add and subtract meters and centimeters while buying them.
Whoopee! I'm ready. Let's go.
It's all from my side. May Allah protect you always. Allah Hafiz.